example I am taking how you will convert one system of unit into another. So suppose you have to convert 1 Newton into dyne. Newton is a unit of force, and in Newton the fundamental units which are involved are from MKS system. So in Newton the fundamental unit comes from the MKS system, and dyne is the unit of force in CGS system. Clear? So first of all, what you will do, you will write the dimension formula of force, mLT minus 2. So m to the power 1, L to the power 1 and T2 to the power minus 2. Now compare this with the term m to the power A, L to the power B and T to the power C. So when you will compare with this condition, so you will find the dimension A is equal to 1, m to the power this, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to minus 2. To convert unit from MKS system to CGS system, first of all write MKS system and here CGS system. So first you write M1. It will be what? This will be 1 kg. And L1 you will write 1 meter. And T1 you will write 1 second. Okay. And the value of N1, this is given 1 Newton is equal to how much dyne? You have to find out. So N1 is given 1. Now similarly, in CGS system the mass M2, representation M2 I have taken. M2 will be what? This will be 1 gram and L2 is written as 1 centimeter. Okay, so L2 is written as 1 centimeter and T2 is written as 1 second, but N2 you have to find out. So which formula you will use? The same formula, N2 is equal to N1, M1 upon M2 to the power A, L1 upon L2 to the power B and T1 upon T2 to the power C. Okay, now substitute 1, this will be 1 kg and 1 gram to the power, what is the value of A? Value of A, that will be 1. Substitute 1. And now this will be 1 meter and this will be 1 centimeter to the power B. B is equal to what? Here 1. And this will be 1 second divided by 1 second to the power C minus 2. Okay, now see what we will do. Number has no unit, so you write 1 kg, convert 1 kg into gram, 1000 gram divided by 1 gram to the power 1. Convert meter into centimeter, 100 centimeter upon 1 centimeter to the power 1, and this will remain same, 1 second upon 1 second to the power minus 2. Now see, gram cancel, centimeter cancel, so this will come out to be what? 1000 and this will be what? 100 and 1 second upon 1 second 1 and 1 to the power minus 2 is equal to what? That is 1. Okay, so this comes out to be 1. So which value you have got? You will get, means this will be what? 10 to the power 5. So N2 you have got 10 to the power 5. So what is the value of 1 Newton in dyne? 1 Newton is converted into 10 to the power 5 dyne. Okay, this relation you have got by considering N1 U1 will be equal to N2 U2. So this is a method to convert one unit from one system to another system, one system of unit into another system.